Hey my crypto friends, this is your boy Davy and I would like to welcome you to my channel. Guys, BNB Miner. I don't know where you're investing your BNB. I just don't know where you're investing your BNB. Check the contract. 11,092 BNB in the contract. Guys, BNB Miner is the #1 place to grow your BNB. I'm having a small account here. This is an account I use for illustration. I have another account and I started this account with just 0.1 BNB, but I've been compounding it. I've been making videos on it and I've been referring people using this account, and the count is clocking to 1 BNB. So if a small account can grow like this within a very short period of time, then how do you expect a big account to grow? So guys, there is a Telegram channel here and we have people who have massive investments in here. So if we look at them, you can see this guy made it a small deal that turned $1,000 into $6,000 within a period of 6 months. So there are very many testimonials in here. Guys, just go to this group and check out how guys are doing in BNB Miner. So to me, BNB Miner is the #1 place to grow BNB. What has paid you 3% for over 460 days? Drop for me that program or project in the comment section and tell me, and I will definitely have to look at it. BNB Miner is doing it and it is doing it hassle free. Check. 465 days it has paid 3% over and over again. Check the contract. 11,000 BNB. I'm having 0.06 BNB here, which I'm gonna compound. So guys, the strategy here that we use to grow BNB in BNB Miner is we compound. We hit this button here more often compared to the pocket button. So why should you take out your BNB instead of compounding it and getting more BNB? So we as a team have a strategy that we are following. We compound for 6 days and take out on the 7th day. So that's the compound strategy that we developed, and it has helped me and our team to grow massively in BNB Miner. So guys, I'm gonna leave my link in the description of this video. Check it out. Invest your BNB in BNB Miner. You can get started from as low as 0.05 BNB, although that is very small. I started 0.1 BNB. You can start with a BNB if you have it. You can start with 10 BNB if you have it. You can start with 100 BNB if you have them. There is no hassle here. So, and you hit the compound button more often compared to the pocket your BNB button. So guys, with that said, remember this project runs on the Binance smart chain. You must have a metamask wallet or trust wallet that is connected to Binance smart chain. So if we look at my metamask here, you'll have to see that it is connected to the Binance smart chain. I don't know why it's not coming up, but I also have tutorials showing you everything on how to connect. All those tutorials are in the description of this video. Check them out and grow BNB with BNB Miner. So guys, that's the update I had for you. I just wanted to tell you that the contract has clocked 11,000 BNB as we speak. Yeah, so that's it. I'll see you in the next update video.